In this video, I'm going to review the overall performance of Jeff Brown's Near Future Report service. So basically what I've done is calculated the overall performance of Jeff's entire stock pick portfolio, and I'm going to give you the figures for that. So if you've been stuck on the fence, wondering whether to join, whether Jeff's service is up to scratch and what the returns are like, then this video is for you. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the Near Future Report members area, which is what you see in front of you. There's the members area website, and there's also an app as well that you can get on your phone. You can access this website on your phone easily as well. I'm also going to talk you through two of my favorite AI stock reports that Jeff has really recently released. They're amazing, some great AI research and two really hot AI picks. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the service. So if that is of interest to you, then stay and watch the video. If at any point you want to join Jeff's Near Future Report, there's a link in the comment description below where basically you can join and get all of Jeff's special reports completely free just for trying out his monthly Near Future Report. You also get a 60-day money back guarantee as well. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. So let's get on with it. So I'm just going to sort of talk you through how Jeff's portfolio is broken down in terms of stock type. So there's 11 AI stocks, there's 4 cloud stocks, there's 2 energy stocks, and then there's 6 crypto coins. So what I've done to give you the fairest sort of view of how the portfolio is given, if you go in the portfolio section, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to give all of Jeff's picks away because it's not fair to members. But basically, if you go to the portfolio section, next to each stock is the return from when that stock was first recommended. So what I've done is I've gone through all of the stocks and calculated the overall return for each sort of stock type, but also the overall return of the service. So let's get on with it. So basically for the AI investments, and there are 11 of them, the overall aggregated return across all of the stocks is 35%, which I think is really good. And the top performing stock or AI stock has given a total return so far of 185%, which is really, really strong. So 35% across all of the stocks, top performing stock, 185%. Now for the cloud computing section, the total return has been 20%. For energy and materials, which I think are going to do really well because it's quite a niche area that a lot of people overlook, but loads of money's flowing into them. Total return is 48%. And for crypto so far, it is 19%. But the top performing crypto coin is 60%, over 60%, and all the crypto coins in the green. Go through the portfolio. There's currently only about 6 stocks across all of a portfolio that are down, but they'll probably bounce back. At the end of the day, there's always going to be some stocks that aren't going to do particularly well. It's just the nature of the beast. But across the entire Near Future Report portfolio, it is a 31% total return overall. But some of the picks have returned 3 figures, and a lot of them are mid to high 2-figure returns. So yeah, if you thought the Near Future Report was a scam, think again, because Jeff and his team really do know how to pick high performing mid to high cap tech stocks, and in particular AI stocks and crypto. So yeah, in terms of how, obviously it goes without saying you're not going to invest in all of the stocks. It's probably 1 or 2 members who do, but you can basically sort of pick and choose what you want to invest in based on the returns, current price levels, and what you actually like. So you're not going to invest in all of the stocks. You're just going to invest in the ones that interest you. So you can basically go through the portfolio and just choose which stocks you want to invest in. As for me, my portfolio, I've been really going in Jeff's stocks probably in the past. I've been a member since 2022. But I've said I've really been going all in or investing in Jeff stocks, I would say, since the Near Future Report was re-released. I would say since sort of last autumn, really, because I'm really interested in AI. And my portfolio, I haven't invested in all of them, obviously. I'm most invested in sort of AI, and my portfolio stocks I've invested in are actually doing pretty well. So there we go. Big thumbs up for the Near Future Report, and I think this is only just the beginning. AI is not even taken off yet, and then there's physical AI, robotics AI coming around the corner. So I think the portfolio is only going to get stronger, especially with the crypto picks as well. So let me walk you through the Near Future Report members area. So the issues and updates is where you get the monthly Near Future Report, plus any buy and sell alerts for the stocks. You've got a whole bank of, God, I don't know how many special reports. There's loads of them. These are all the latest crypto ones. And like I said, these crypto picks are doing pretty well. But the two, I would say, reports that I really, really like, they're my favorite, was company behind the $100 trillion AI metal, and this one. Basically, the stock here, basically, the research in this all talks about Elon and Tesla's Optimus AI robot, which is going to be released probably in the next year. And basically, the stock pick gives away a stock that's supplying Tesla for the vision and sensor software for the Optimus robot. So basically, if Tesla's Optimus robot is a success, the supply is going to absolutely explode in value as well. So this is one of my favorite reports, all about the robotic revolution. This one is really interesting as well. It's basically all about the company behind the $100 trillion AI metal. And if give you a little bit of context about that, the metal Jeff talks about in this report is absolutely key to AI succeeding, because this metal's in all of the chips. It's in all of the powerful magnets that power the motors for the cars, the motors for the robots, the actuators, and also this metal is used in top military tech from fighter jets to our phones, you name it. This metal is used in basically all of modern tech, but particularly it's critical for the future of AI, and that's why Jeff has called it the $100 trillion AI metal, because it's pretty much worth that, because so many companies need it to build out the tech. So that's another one of my favorite reports. So these two reports are my favorite. I think these two picks here going to potentially do really, really well. But there's all sorts of AI picks here. There's tech picks, sort of chip picks, sensor picks, infrastructure picks. So you've got a broad sort of different AI companies to choose from with his picks. So that is pretty much the Near Future Report. You've got the portfolio with all open, which lists all the stocks and the returns. Then you've got the risk management section, which teaches you how to invest like a pro investor. So one of my thoughts on the Near Future Report, I love the service. It's my favorite tech and AI stock research and stock advisory service. I love it. Like I said, I've been a member since 2022, but I've really started investing in Jeff's picks really since last autumn, because I've really seen the potential in AI, and it is going to be the groundbreaking technology of the century. There's going to be no bigger industry than the AI industry moving forwards, and that's why I'm a member of his service, because I believe Jeff is basically the very best. He offers the best service out there. So if you're interested in all of the latest, investing in all of the latest technology, but particularly AI and crypto, then the Near Future Report is your go-to place. I rate it 5 out of 5. Can't fault it. Love the service. Why not give it a try? 60 days risk-free. Link in the comment description below if you want to join. That's basically what I've got for you. Hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.